Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping so products sit evenly. Cleanse, moisturize, then prime. Once done, pick a highlight shade 1 to 2 tones lighter and a contour 1 to 2 tones darker in the same undertone family. Use a small brush or sponge and load a tiny amount. You want placement, not full coverage. Tap rather than swipe to deposit product on cheekbones, bridge of nose, center of forehead, and hollows under cheekbones. Make sure to leave room for blending. Now you sculpt. Pick tools that create control, a dense angled brush for contour and a fluffy or damp sponge for highlight. You need to blend toward hairline and jaw to avoid harsh lines. Use short, directional strokes to preserve shape. Once blended, layer lightly. Add micro strokes where shadow needs depth and dab highlight where you want lift. Make sure to check symmetry every few seconds. Step back or use natural light to confirm both sides match. Finish by setting. Apply a light translucent powder over highlighted zones and a soft matching powder to lock contour points. Once set, refine edges using a small brush and a touch of concealer or bronzer to sharpen any areas that lost definition. If you see patchiness or the contour looks muddy, don't scrub. Dampen your sponge slightly and press to meld products, then build color bit by bit. Remember, fix by adding small amounts rather than removing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.